Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. So this is the Diwali makeup look and it's very golden and brown color, so it suits everyone and it's very festival kind of look. So it will match any of the outfit and at any age any people can wear it. And I have used some of my favorite products. So if you like this look, then keep on watching and wishing you all a very happy Diwali. So basically putting makeup, the essential part is to prep your skin, like hydrate, put essence or toner and then apply the makeup so the base will be very perfect. So first we will start with this Hydra Fresh Antiox Grape Seed Hydrating Spa Water. So I will just apply this before the moisturizer, taking few drops on the cotton pad. So this is by the company L'Oreal Paris. So what it is supposed to do, it says that it is a powerful antioxidant that helps to neutralize free radicals caused by daily aggressions. So what happens is that skin feels immediately hydrated and soft. Now I'm going to apply the moisturizer. So this is the cute little mini Garnier moisturizer. I'm trying it for the first time. I will see how it applies. So you can use some moisturizer that suits your skin type and what you usually prefer. This anti-aging cream visibly reduces wrinkles and fine lines for firmer looking skin. I have a combination skin, but still I use a lot of moisturizer. So I'm using this Color Bar Perfect Match Primer only in the areas like near the T-zone, not all over the face. So during Diwali, you wear makeup all day. If you don't wear primer, you know what happens. I'm trying to press the product in. So I'm going with this Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation, shade 220 Natural Beige. Taking two pumps, starting with the center of the face, applying it in the outward motion. This claims that it is a full coverage foundation, 24-hour wear, oil control / shine free, sweat and sebum resistance, and doesn't clog your pore. Fade and transfer resistance also. As you can see, it concealed my dark circle a lot. Now I'm going to use this Color Bar Flawless Full Cover Concealer in the shade Satin 03. So this is a matte finish concealer and in high coverage, and this is a little big as per compared to other concealers. So I'm going to set my face with the Flawless Airbrush Finish Loose Powder by Color Bar and the shade 01 Beige Fair. It's just that the applicator of this is little, it comes like this, but when you have to pour the powder out, it's a little bit of task. So you have to just do this like this, but it's still a little bit messy. You can open up the whole lid also, but I don't prefer to do that. First, setting the under eye. It doesn't make my face cakey and last all day long, so it's very nice. To make the eyeshadow long lasting, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Primer, especially a primer for your eyes, so it will make your eyeshadow very long lasting. So I'm going to use this Lakme 925 Mystic Nude palette, and this has a very warm tone shades like the brown and the copper ones. During the festival season time, it matches everyone and it matches every outfit, so it's very universal colors. So first I'm going with this transition shade, a very light brown color, blending this really well. The pigmentation of this eyeshadow is really good. Now taking this copper brown shade and putting it like a V shape just halfway through the eye, not going till the inner corner of the eye. Basically what I'm doing is trying to elongate my eyes. See how good the pigmentation is of this eyeshadow. Now again blending this with the same fluffy brush in a pretty circular motion. See how diffused this area looks? That's why I'm doing this. So I'm going with the Swiss Beauty Gold Goddess Metallic Liquid Glitter type on the inner corner of the eye. So the golden color is just mandatory because it goes with every festival season. Just the halfway through, not the entire lid. And taking a flat brush and spreading it immediately because it sets easily and it doesn't move. Taking it lightly on the lower lash line. Now with that same brush which I used in the outer corner, I'm just mixing the eyeshadow well. Now taking this darkest brown among this palette and spreading it in the lower lash line and joining it with the outer edge of the upper eyeshadow and taking a flat brush. Now taking this color bar just till smoky kajal, putting it in the waterline. You can use a brown or a black liner here instead. Now taking the Lakme Absolute Gel Deep Sea color and putting it in the lower lash line with a small brush. Since I'm wearing a blue kurti, dark blue kurti, so I tried to match it. Now taking the Chambord liner in the brown color and putting it on the lash line and just spreading it out. This is such a creamy and nice liner. I really like this liner so much. It lasts all day and it's so creamy and smooth. I have small eyes, still it doesn't transfer up here. It's so nice. Now spreading it slightly with a flat brush. See how I've done like this. I will repeat the same thing on the other eye. So I'm applying this mascara by L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes. Using this Color Bar Flawless Touch Contour and Highlight Kit. So I'm using only this shade for contouring. I'm not using this highlighter as an highlight. Taking a fluffy angled brush, dusting off the excess and lightly tapping it. See, I'm putting it in the outward area so that my face look a little bit of toned up. Putting it on the forehead, push the contour into the hairline. Using this fluffy brush to contour my nose. Now taking this Revelation blush palette and applying the blush. Using these two shades. Just mixing it with the contour lightly. Now using this Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. Now taking this Color Bar lip liner in the shade Chocolate Brown and lining my lips. Lightly spreading it with the help of a finger. So I'm using this Faces Canada Matte Lips Plus Primer and in the shade Tease 14. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you liked the video and tell me what are your favorite products or you have used. Please comment down below and hit that subscribe button because it's free of cost. It doesn't charge anything. And hit that bell icon so that whenever I upload any video, you will come to know. So see you next time. Bye.